Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information from Tuesday, January 26th, and for Wednesday, January 27th. Today, during our live Google Meet, we opened the class with a bit of information for everybody, including the start of the third marking period beginning yesterday, which was January 25th. Told students that the third marking period lasts for about 3 months through the second week in April. Second piece of information that was important for students is that report cards will be available for students beginning next Tuesday, which is February 2nd. Third piece of information was that Friday, the 29th of January, is a non-school day for students. It is a teacher in-service day. And the final piece of information dealt with hybrid learning. Moving forward as we get closer to February 16th, based on Dr. Smith, our superintendent's information presented last Friday, and we look forward to some more information coming out about hybrid learning and returning to the hybrid learning setting beginning Tuesday the 16th. If you have any questions about that stuff, feel free to reach out to me. We're going to be getting more information over about the next 3 weeks. So once we transitioned over to social studies stuff, went into this week's folder, we reviewed the assignment from Monday in the orange folders. So students were to watch the video, The Influence of Geography on China. Open it up in the textbook in a new tab. Remember to click on the blue YouTube-like symbol. And this will present the video.
In the ancient world, most early civilizations grew up along rivers. Remember Egypt in the Nile Valley and India along the Indus? Or the Sumerian cities between the Tigris and Euphrates?
So students watched that video and finished up that video, and they were to transition to the discussion question in Monday's folder, which asked for them to select one of the 6 geographic features of China: Gobi Desert, Himalaya Mountains, Plateau of Tibet, Huang River, Chang River, or the North China Plain. After selecting one of them, they were to describe one positive effect and one negative effect of that selected geographic feature. So that was from Monday. Students had an opportunity to discuss their answers, ask any questions. That was the first half of class, and then the second half of class was introducing the reading guide for the middle of this week. So we went back to this week's folder. We went into Tuesday's folder, which was the yellow colored folder. Students opened up their version of the First Dynasties of China reading guide. And here is what that looked like. So together we did the first 3 questions of the reading guide to get students started. The reading, once again, is down below. So we talked a little bit about what a dynasty is. We talked a little bit about the start of the Shang dynasty and oracle bones. And at that point, I stopped the students, gave them a little bit of time to continue to work on this independently, and I told students they had today, which was Tuesday, and Wednesday, which is the 27th, to continue to work on and complete this reading guide. On Thursday, the 28th, during our live Google Meet, I will finish up the reading guide, answer any questions, allow students an opportunity and some time to finish this up and submit this. And then the final thing we will do for Thursday is complete the quick check, which is a 5-question quiz for the week, and that will be it for social studies this week. So as you are working on this reading guide tonight, Wednesday, and even into Thursday, if you have any questions for me, feel free to email me, and I will see everybody on Thursday. Bye, everybody.